Greetings, fellow travel enthusiasts. Join me on an exhilarating journey as I embark on a flight from the vibrant city of Hyderabad to the captivating landscapes of New Jalpaiguri, nestled amidst the foothills of the Himalayas. As I board the flight, anticipation fills the air. The engines roar to life, and with a gentle thrust, I ascend into the cerulean canvas of the sky. As I cruise through the air, the landscape transforms into a mesmerizing tapestry of verdant hills and valleys. The majestic Himalayan foothills beckon, promising an unforgettable adventure in the embrace of nature. My journey begins at NJP railway station, the gateway to Sikkim. NJP serves as a bustling hub, connecting travelers to the mesmerizing landscapes and cultural treasures of the region. As we set off on NH10, the landscape transforms from the bustling cityscape of Siliguri to the verdant expanse of tea gardens. The road winds its way through the foothills of the Himalayas, offering glimpses of snow-capped peaks in the distance. Today, we are embarking on a road trip from New Jalpaiguri to Pelling, a beautiful town in Sikkim, India. Embark on an unforgettable road trip from NJP railway station to Pelling, traversing through picturesque landscapes and quaint villages, and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Sikkim. As we drive along NH10, we are surrounded by stunning views of the Teesta Valley. The river Teesta winds its way through the valley, creating a picturesque landscape. The scenery is changing as we drive higher into the hills. We are starting to see more pine trees, Sevoke Kalibarhi is a place which is the most popular weekend destination for most of the Siligurian and resident of North Bengal. It is approximately 20 kilometers from Siliguri. Here Hindu goddess Ma Sevokashwari reside in this temple.
Sunrise is just for you, so come along and take my hand.
There is another temple of God Shiva situated at nearby hill. The scenic beauty of this place is excellent. The temple is surrounded by the Himalaya. Green-colored river Teesta flows at the foot of hills in her own madness, which is surrounded by the green dense forest covering the hills. Another nearby attractive spot is Coronation Bridge over Teesta, which was made on British period. Many peoples are attracted for its unique architecture. Usually the timing of opening temple is from 8:30 am to 6:30 pm, but it changes during different season. Additional tips. On 4th October 2023, a massive flash flood occurred in the Teesta River basin in Sikkim, India. The flood was triggered by a glacial lake outburst flood (GLOF) and caused widespread devastation in the region. The lake's moraine dam collapsed, releasing a massive surge of water down the Teesta River. The flood waters swept through villages and towns, destroying homes, roads, and bridges. At least 94 people were killed in the flood, and many more were missing. The flood also caused extensive damage to infrastructure, including the Chungathang Dam, which is part of the Teesta 3 hydroelectric project. Be sure to drive slowly and carefully. The flood destroyed roads, bridges, and other infrastructure. Sometimes there can be long hours of traffic congestions, so please have patience, switch on your music and enjoy the nature.
Been a long time without you. Been a long time without love. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Really hard to find
The weather in Pelling can be unpredictable. After a few hours of driving, we finally reached Pelling. We are excited to explore this beautiful town and all it has to offer. Thanks for joining me on this road trip from New Jalpaiguri to Pelling. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Please let me know if you have any other questions.